Bluey was jumping on the trampoline high. Bingo bounced beside her, laughing loud. Suddenly a flash ripped across the sky bright. Muffin shouted, "Did you see that? Could it be lightning?" Bandit rushed out, shielding his eyes strong. Chilli pointed upward, amazed quick. Rusty yelled, "It's not lightning, it's a door. Could the sky be opening?" A glowing portal spun above the house wide. Indy gasped, "It's pulling the clouds inside." Socks barked and ran in circles fast. Could it drag them too? The trampoline shook hard beneath their paws. Bluey and Bingo clung to each other tight. Bandit yelled, "Everyone hold on now." Could they survive this pull? In a burst of light they vanished. They landed on glowing grass, soft, strange. Towers floated in the distance, tall. Could this be another world? Chilli helped Muffin up, gently calm. Rusty stared at the floating bridges, bold. Indy shouted, "We have to explore fast. Could danger be near?" Suddenly a crystal beast appeared, huge. Its body gleamed with jagged edges sharp. Bluey gasped loud and stepped back quick. Could it attack? The beast roared, shaking the floating towers. Bingo shouted, "Stay together strong." Bandit grabbed a fallen branch, ready. Could courage defeat crystal? Bluey spotted a glowing symbol on its chest, bright. She yelled, "Hit there now." Rusty hurled a stone with force fierce. Could it be the weak spot? The beast cracked open with a blinding flash. Crystals scattered across the ground, ringing. Muffin cheered, "We did it, hooray!" Could the danger be gone? But the ground split beneath them wide. A chasm opened, glowing fire red. Indy shouted, "Run to the bridge now." Could they escape? They dashed across the floating path quick. The world trembled, falling apart fast. Bluey lifted Bingo's balloon high, bright. Could it guide them home? A portal opened, glowing strong ahead. They leapt inside together, brave, bold. In seconds they landed back in their yard, safe. Could the magic return someday? And if you felt that rush in your chest, smash like, tap subscribe, and step into the next portal with Bluey and friends.